Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a super cool zoom effects, totally free, quick and easy. In this tutorial, we'll be using just one app plus a little bonus trick at the end to make it even cooler. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store, then log in. Don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan with weekly credits and even free AI avatars. Next, just go to Avatar Motions and then choose Earth Zoom Out. Just tap on it. Next, just upload your photo. Next, just tap Create. And see your photo just transform with that smooth zoom out motions. After that, just download your video. And next, here's a fun extra step. Let's make it even more dynamic using CapCut. Just open your CapCut and then tap New Projects and import your video, your zoom out video, like this. Then just duplicate the clip like this, and then just reverse the second clip so it zooms back in like this. Just put them together and you will get this cool back and forth zoom effects like this. Like this. And next, you can also add a background music or just add a filters or other effects to make it match your style. And that's it. So that's how you can make a smooth zoom out effect for free and even turn it into a stylish loop video. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.